One of my favorite things to do whenever I'm home is cook. However, whenever I'm traveling, sometimes it just doesn't work out the same way. Why? Well, I don't have the same equipment, and so a lot of times I can't do all the same things. And sometimes when you just want a home cooked meal, it's really a sad moment whenever you can't do something. Last year I picked up a grill and I thought, great, this is awesome. It's propane powered, I can do this. It's small enough to travel in my little travel car. But I noticed quickly its limitations. Sometimes I needed that flat surface that could just evenly heat things, and I didn't have that with the grill. So this year I'm adding a Blackstone Griddle to the mix, and I think I'm gonna be really excited. It stows a lot smaller than my grill did, and it has a lot more possibilities. So now I'm gonna share with you some of those possibilities. There are so many options now. Eating just got better. So let's go inside and get our supply. There are literally so many options now that are accessible to me with this griddle that I have no idea what I'm going to make. I ended up with stuff for both lunch and breakfast because, well, sometimes I like breakfast for dinner. So I'm gonna flip a coin and start from there. I'm so excited. Like, words do not express how excited I am right now. Let's go. Hey guys! What's that? Lava, 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 lava. On my way home to cook, and what? There are llamas on the side of the road just roaming around? Only in Texas. Day one is a success with the Blackstone. I was able to choose from all of these things that I just was overwhelmed with and finally settle on chicken and shrimp tacos. I'm using a corn tortilla, which I was able to heat up right on the griddle top, and then I also made a roasted corn mango salsa with the corn roasted right here on the griddle. So pretty easy, really handy, makes tons, and I think the whole meal costs maybe $15 to feed 3 people. Not too bad, if I say so myself. Now, I have to clean up the griddle in just a little bit, slap a little bit more oil on it to keep it nice and seasoned, and then we can go grub. Let's eat. dinner is served. Look at those tacos. They smell so good. There's that salsa. Yum, yum, yum. It's Griddle Day 2, and today I'm more excited than I even was on day 1. Now, the reason why I'm excited is because today we're going to address the problem that I know I have, and I'm assuming other people do too. I can't pour a perfect pancake to save my life. But today I'm going to use the Blackstone breakfast kit, which has a pancake pourer, and I'm going to pour perfect pancakes. That's a tongue twister. But if you've ever been that person who gets really excited when you're making pancakes and the first one's really big and then the second one's a little bit smaller because you realize it was too big on the first one, and then by the time you get to the third one it's like this big, this is gonna help you. So today we've got the griddle, I've already cleaned it off. We're about to go and make our pancake batter. But this isn't just gonna be like a normal pancake. No, because I don't do anything normal. I wanna make it a little bit more fun. So we're going to have rainbow pancakes with fluffy whipped cream clouds and little sprinkles. Because, well, women can use a griddle too. And this girl's gonna make herself some rainbow pancakes. Okay, this guy right here is the saving grace of our pancakes. We're gonna put our pancake batter inside. And as you can see, it has these little pour lines. You click it until it has come down to the even amount, and you're supposed to have perfect pancakes. Sad moment in me land. I thought that I'd picked up the wrong food coloring, only to find out that I actually picked up the right food coloring and put it away, and I had the other one. So now our pancakes aren't going to be quite as unicorn as I thought. But they're still going to be colorful. Initial plan, I was going to make individual pancakes, each one a different color, like a rainbow. I thought that'd be great. But then I thought about the idea of tie-dye, and the more I thought about it, the more I want to see what these things turn out like. So while I have the Blackstone already fired up, I'm going to put all of the different colored pancake mixes in one container, and then I'm going to squirt those perfect little squirts and find out what we end up with. This could be a crisis, or it could be really epic. Either way, we're about to use the Blackstone. Here we go. Oh my goodness. Look at all this color in one container, and it's all going to go on the griddle in a minute, and we're gonna see what it looks like. I'm really epically excited. But before we start these, because they don't take very long, we need to start one of the things that takes a little bit longer. So we need to mix up our eggs and get our bacon. That's gonna take a minute. So let's go. Eggs are on, and it's time to pour up some pancakes. I'm gonna put the bacon on last because the bacon definitely gets a little intense. It doesn't take very long, and I don't want bacon grease all over my pancakes. So here we go. Okay, so there is a negative to coloring the batter. It kind of sticks to the side a little bit more, so they might not be perfect, but they're gonna be good. The pouring process, way easier. The overall size, ability, way better. Some things you just can't fix, and apparently this is one of them. Normally, I would only put a couple slices under the thing, let them cook fully, but when I started opening my bacon today, it was completely destroyed. It's in pieces. So it's not going to cook super evenly or be in full strips. Not too worried about it. But it is helping me keep the little bubbles out so it can cook a little bit faster. Breakfast for dinner is served. And while it didn't turn out exactly as I thought it would, I did learn a lot of new things. I have to learn how to adapt some of my recipes because I'm working with a griddle now as opposed to the other ways that I normally would cook. It actually makes it a lot easier, and I was making it way too hard for myself. My colors weren't quite as vibrant as I'd hoped on the inside, however. It is a tie-dye masterpiece. Look at this. The thick cut bacon that I had hoped would be absolutely perfect actually fell apart. It had nothing to do with the griddle whatsoever. The actual brand itself failed me a little bit. So I'm gonna look for a higher quality bacon before cooking breakfast next time, no matter where I'm cooking it. And last but not least, I learned that with the pouring dispenser, it does help you regulate the amount that you're pouring out. However, when you put food coloring in it, it makes it harder to see where that is. So next time I'll try regular pancakes because it'll make the perfect pancake every single time.